In this video, I will show you how to download Fortnite on Android. So first, open your preferred browser and search for Epic Games and then hit enter. From the search results, click on this first website and you will land on screen like this. In the top left corner, you will see this Epic Game icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, you can see Fortnite at the very top. Click on it and it will bring you to a page like this. On this page, at the very top, you can see we have the install button. Click on it and a window like this will pop up. So choose download anyway and it will start downloading. And once the download is complete, click on open and a window like this will appear. So click on install and once it is installed, the app will open up like this. On the home screen of the app, you can see Fortnite at the very top. Click on it and here you will find install button. So tap on it to download the game on your device. Once it is installed, you can find Fortnite in your app drawer. Open the game and follow on-screen instructions to log in or create a new account.